Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner-friendly iOS development series. In this first video, you'll go from installing Xcode to building your first real SwiftUI app, step by step. Even if you've never written code before, this is for you. Here's what we'll cover today: installing Xcode, creating your first SwiftUI project, exploring the Xcode interface in detail, and modifying your first view on screen. Let's get started. To build iOS apps, you need Xcode, Apple's official IDE. Integrated Development Environment. It contains everything you need: a code editor, UI designer, iOS simulator, and powerful tools to debug and deploy your app. Step by step, open the Mac App Store, search for Xcode, click Get, install Xcode. So make sure you have at least 15 gigabytes of free space on your Mac before starting. The first time you launch it, Xcode might ask you to install additional components. Click Install and it will complete setup in a few seconds. You should now see the Xcode welcome window. And you create a new Xcode project. You'll see a list of project templates. These are starting points. Choose App under the iOS section, and then click Next. Now fill in your app details. Product name, Hello SwiftUI. Team, if you don't have one, leave it blank for now. Organization identifier, something like com.yourname. Interface, choose SwiftUI language. Click Next, choose a folder, and create. Welcome to your new project. Xcode can look overwhelming at first, but I'll walk you through each section. Top toolbar. The play button runs the app in the simulator. The stop button halts the app. You can select different iPhone models from the drop-down. The status area shows whether your app is building correctly. This is the navigator. You'll use the project navigator most of the time to see all your files, your code, assets, previews, etc. The center is your code editor. Right now it's showing a Swift file called kexview.swift. This file defines the screen layout of your app using SwiftUI. As you write code, this area updates and you'll see the results in the preview area. The canvas preview, right of editor. Click Canvas at the top right if it's not showing. Here you'll see a live preview of what your code creates. No need to run the simulator for small changes. You can also click Resume if it's paused. This is the inspector. You'll see properties of the selected UI elements, documentation, and helpful hints. Finally, click the bottom bar to open the debug console. You'll use this to see print statements and errors when your app runs. Now let's make our very first change to the UI. Open the file called contentview.swift, and by default you'll see a simple line like this. We're going to customize it and make it look much better. First, let's update the text. Replace Hello World with something custom, like this: Welcome to iOS development. This gives your app a nice personal message on launch. Next, we'll style the text. Add these two modifiers. This turns the text blue, and this padding to give it breathing space from all sides. Now let's change the image above the text. By default, it shows a globe icon. We'll replace that with something friendlier, like a waving hand. Increase the size of the icon using font. This makes the icon big and eye-catching. Now we'll style the text font size. Here's how your full code should look now. A V-stack with the hand.wavefic icon, set to 50 points, followed by your welcome text in large title font with blue color and some padding. You'll see your first custom SwiftUI screen live on your Mac. Let's see it on a virtual iPhone. Click the play button. Xcode will build the app and launch it inside the iPhone simulator. And that's it. You've installed Xcode, created your first app, learned the layout, and modified your first SwiftUI screen. Huge win. In the next video, we'll dive into Swift basics and learn how to build interactive UIs with buttons and state. If this helped you, hit like, tap subscribe, and comment below, "I'm ready to build my first app." Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.